talking about how to use Packway dbconnect to upload or download database from ZM indicator. So you see the screen, they have IP address and a database. You could choose the indicator in the list, and then you choose the database you want to operate. The first thing, we press test button to check. You see scale is ready. That means scale connection is okay, scale is not busy. The next, we can choose track and read. You see, we read the database. Database is complete and saved to this folder as this file. So you can go there. Oh, the file is here. Also, you can do other database as well. You can choose different database to read. The other function is write. You could open Excel to add new or changed database and save to as CSV file, then write to the indicator. For example, we choose track, write, we choose CSV file, track, so please wait. Write complete. That has local file. You can press local file to see there's only one record has been export by or import by indicator. The next function is purge. So this means you can delete the database, all the record inside the database. You need to choose track, database, purge. You want to confirm? Yes. I say complete. This means that all the record in the track database are gone. Thank you for watching. See you then. Bye-bye.